Unang-una is ping. Everybody knows kung ano ang ping. So, ping is short for Packet Internet Groper. So, ping is a network administration software utility. Naka-built-in na to sa kung Linux, kung Windows ang gamit mo, or Mac, meron yan. Okay? It is a software utility used to test reachability of a host on an internet protocol network. So, minimeasure niya yung round-trip time for messages sent from originating host to a destination computer that are echoed back to the source. So, kaya siya tinawag na ping, ping, tapos babalik sa'yo. Okay? So, minimeasure natin yung reachability and at the same time, kung gaano katagal bumalik yung ping pabalik. Okay? So, similar to sa parang sonar ng mga barko. Okay? Gumagamit sila ng sound wave para tignan yung kung may anong tawag dito? Kung merong something sa tubig. Okay? So, nag-send siya ng ping, sound wave. Ping! Parang ganun. Ping! So, sa computer, ganun din. Nag-send tayo ng ping! Tapos, minimeasure natin kung gaano ka bilis makarating and gaano ka bilis bumalik yung reply ng remote computer. So, bigyan ko kayo ng sample dito. Open tayo ng ipconfig ay ng command prompt ng Windows. So, sabihin natin ping 8.8.8.8. Okay, so, piniping natin dito is usually 4 tries. Okay, piniping natin is yung IP address sa internet na 8.8.8.8. So, minimeasure din natin yung round trip time. Okay. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Naka-receive tayo ng reply. So, nag-ping tayo kay 8.8.8.8 at naka-receive tayo ng reply galing kay 8.8.8 and it took around 25 milliseconds. Okay, so nag-ping tayo kay 8.8.8, bumalik sa atin yung reply ni 8.8.8 and that took 25 milliseconds. So, ping natin yung website ko, advervamedia.com. So, ganun din. Yung IP address ko is 119.81.175.39. Okay, that's my IP address on the internet itself. Ano pa? Ping facebook.com. Okay, so nakikita natin yung reachability and round trip time ng ating communication between yung computer natin and yung server ni Facebook. So, yan ang ping.